Hey guys, are you wanting to buy best microphone for vocals? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best microphone for vocals that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. And now let's continue. Starting at number 5, Toner microphone for vocals. The Toner condenser microphone is yet another great budget option we have found for this list of the best microphones. This is also a cardioid microphone offering a reliable unidirectional polar pickup pattern along with a frequency range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, which is wider than many other premium picks on the market. The upgraded design for the mic capsule of this microphone includes a low-noise preamp, offering a wide dynamic range for recording. The Toner condenser microphone completely eliminates the sound coming from the sides and rear of the mic and focuses only on what's coming from the front. This is also a complete set of microphone accessories, as you will find a boom arm, metal shock mount, pop filter, mic cover, connectivity cable, and even cable ties to manage the cables once you have finished setting up the mic. The boom arm included with this microphone is also quite durable since it is made up of steel and has a large desk clamp to offer stable installation. At number 4, Rode microphone for vocals. If you are into listening to podcasts from various famous podcast artists, you are probably already familiar with the brand Rode. There's a wide selection of audio recording devices manufactured by Rode that are preferred by professionals. Even though Rode is quite a premium brand for audio recording devices, it also offers some budget options for those who are looking for a beginner's microphone for vocal recordings. One such option is the Rode Pod Mic Broadcast. As the name suggests, this microphone is specially designed to be used for podcasts where voice and vocals are equally as important as the content itself, and to offer connectivity with additional sound modulation and monitoring devices. It also offers XLR connectivity. As for the mic quality itself, the Rode Pod Mic Broadcast is a broadcast quality microphone that usually does not require any further audio processing and offers an output ready to be broadcast. You will get rich and dense sound output from this microphone without any disturbances due to the internal pop filter. The Rode Pod Mic Broadcast manages to minimize the plosives in your vocals and even vibration sounds with the shock mount. At number 3, Mano microphone for vocals. The Mano Studio set is ranked at 3rd position on our list of the best microphone for vocals since it is more than just a microphone. Instead, it is a complete set, which might be just the set you need to complete your in-house studio setup. This set includes a cardioid microphone, a studio headphone, and lots of accessories needed to set up and used to set for vocal recordings. The microphone in this set has a 16 mm diameter and works at a sampling range of 192 kHz with a frequency response ranging from 30 Hz to 16 kHz. As for the headphones, the Mano Studio set includes pretty high-end headphones operating with 50 mm drivers to give you an immersive audio experience. They also feature advanced noise reduction technology so that you can focus on your work and understand what your mic is recording with utmost clarity. And in terms of design, these headphones are simply the best as they have a flexible body with foldable ear cups. And our second product, the Shure microphone for vocals. The Shure SM50 ADLC is one of the best studio-grade options we have picked for our list of the best microphones for vocals. With a standard professional microphone design, the Shure SM50 ADLC offers a cardioid polar pickup pattern, making it a good choice for vocal recordings. The frequency response range of the Shure SM50 ADLC also ranges from 50 Hz all the way up to 15 kHz, catering to your recording needs. The Shure SM50 ADLC also ensures enhanced mid-range notes along with bass roll control to further improve the vocal quality. You will also notice a proximity effect with this microphone due to the cardioid pickup pattern. It helps to differentiate between the primary vocals and background noises and isolate the sound you wish to record. It also has a built-in wind and pop filter, so you won't need to buy one additionally. Now our last product is Logitech microphone for vocals. The Logitech Blue Yeti USB microphone is the best microphone designed for such applications, and it certainly is the feature set for it. First of all, this unit offers a custom 3-capsule design, offering 4 different recording modes that are cardioid, omnidirectional, bidirectional, and stereo sound pickup modes. With that, you can expect the best audio quality from the Logitech Blue Yeti USB microphone for all kinds of applications. To further improve the performance of the mic, you can use it with the Blue Voice. In this software, you will find various sound modulation options as well as extra effects that you can add to the recorded sound. On the mic itself, you will find various control options such as mute button, pattern selection, gain control, etc. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.